Hello and welcome to WindowsRuby.com. In this lecture, we're going to talk about what we're going to learn through this entire curriculum or course of Ruby class. Okay, the first thing we're going to actually learn is the string class in Ruby. Okay, so we're going to learn about what string is. Okay, we're also going to learn about the string methods. Okay, what are the different methods of string? Okay, and what are the common methods of string that you're going to use? Okay, in Ruby. Okay. Then we're also going to learn about the integer class in Ruby. Okay, so what are the different types of integer? Okay, and how you're going to use integer in Ruby. Okay, and we're also going to talk about the integer methods. Okay, then we are going to talk about the float methods. Okay, then we're also going to talk about the conditional execution. Okay, also called if and else conditional execution. Okay, we're going to learn how you can write an if and else conditions. Okay, so we're going to talk about if and else and if conditions. We're also going to talk about different types of conditional expressions, like for instance, and, or, okay, equal to, not equal to. We're also going to talk about how you're going to create an array in Ruby. Okay, so how you're going to create an array and how you're going to actually use case statement or case conditional execution in Ruby. Okay, we're also going to learn about the looping. Okay, what looping in Ruby is. Okay, and how you can create a loop in Ruby. Okay, we're going to talk about a for loop, while loop, and till loop. Okay, then we're also going to talk about the hash. Okay, what is hashes in Ruby? Okay, and we're also going to talk about the methods in Ruby. Okay, what methods is and how you can create a method in Ruby. Okay, then we're also going to talk about the classes. Okay, how you're going to write or create a class in Ruby and what is classes in Ruby. Okay, then we're also going to create some classes. Okay. And we're also going to talk about the types of method in Ruby class. Okay, so we're going to talk about the constructor method and how you can create an object from the class. Okay, how you can instantiate an object from the class. Okay, then we're also going to talk about the instance method. Okay, we're also going to talk about the regular expressions. Okay, how you can use regular expressions in Ruby. We're going to talk about the variables in Ruby. Okay, what are the different types of variable? Instance variables, class variables, global variables, local variables, and constants. So we're going to go through each variables, class variables, global variables, local variables, instance variables, and so on. Okay? Then we're also going to talk about the object-oriented programming, or also called OOP concept. Okay? So how you can use Ruby as an object-oriented programming language. Okay? We're going to talk about the object-oriented programming features in Ruby: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. We're going to go through each of the features: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay? Then we're also going to talk about modules. Okay? Why is modules? What is modules in Ruby? Okay? Then we're also going to talk about the file input output class. Okay? For instance, if you want to write, text file, you want to read a text file, or you want to write some content in the text file, how you can use file IO methods. Okay? We're going to also talk about the file loading the files. Okay. All right. So that is pretty much what we're going to learn in this entire course. Okay. We're going to go through each detail. We're going to write script line by line. We're going to learn through all these concepts in this course. Okay. All right then. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this course. Okay. Till then, I'll see you guys in our next lecture. Thank you.